One other function which you just want to leave on, but I'm explaining so that if you notice someone's turned it off, you can see the problem, is this wheel button. We have already explained when you're playing that this works as fast forward rewind and can help you do the scratching, but with the wheel off it stops doing that. It starts to work differently as a nudging tool. I'll explain what nudging is when we come to the beat matching section, but if you're wondering why anyone can't scratch or pause, it's because of that wheel function. Now on the screen, a couple of other buttons. What we have here on either side is what's known as reverse. Up here we have slip mode. In this mode, when I do something here, it won't just let me do the scratch and affect it. As soon as I let go and stop manipulating it, it will carry on from where the track would have been if I'd not started scratching. So it effectively slips forwards while you do something. I'm rewinding, but when I stop rewinding, it carries on from where the track would have been. So it's very handy for removing explicit lyrics on the fly. If someone's going to say something untoward, you go whoops, and it carries on from the point afterwards. This is eject, so if I cue and were to press eject, that song would just jump out of the deck. Not that useful because normally you just load the next song and it instantly goes over the top. I should take slip mode off there. This is key lock, which means that it will maintain its pitch regardless of the tempo you set. Excuse me. Now we haven't come to tempo changes yet. We're going to do that in beat matching, but very quickly let me just show you that as I change tempo, you can see the number in the BPM readout has reduced or increased as I've moved the tempo slider, but the pitch of the music has remained the same. When I take key lock off, the pitch is also changing as the tempo changes. It's a great way of telling young people why pitch and tempo, how pitch and tempo are related, but for DJ purposes, obviously you're constantly changing tempos, which will be described in the beat matching section, and you don't want songs to have their pitches changed, otherwise they're no longer in tune. Lovely. So, just to prove the point, if I stop this deck, go down to another track and load it, you can see it loads straight on top. That's why we don't need eject. All the other bits and pieces on the screen, everything else on here, slightly more advanced functions. I recommend you don't worry about them for now, but do feel free to get in touch if you want more information.